Hello, everybody. Uh, Elegant Melon here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're quite possibly okay, I'm at Target right now. I'm gonna see if they have the new Twice album in stock at my local Target. And if they do, I'm gonna get a copy. I have no idea which copy I want, which is a wonderful thing, wonderful times. Not knowing what version I want, because apparently all three versions are have Target exclusive. So, I guess it'll depend what they have, if they have anything. I mean, if they don't have anything when I go in the store, then this video will be deleted and nobody will know that this exists. If it does exist, or if they do have it in stock at my store, then we get an unboxing and everything. And so yeah, we're doing this, we're having fun. Yeah, I might record in the store, I don't know. My Target is usually pretty good on K-pop albums, though. Like, if they have it at Target, I can usually find it here. But who knows? Yeah, I will. Yeah, there will be another clip after this if this becomes a video. Okay, so I'm back. They had it. And I got this version, whichever the purple version is called. It's the only version they had, so whatever. Anyway, I wasn't planning on doing a car unboxing, but like, I kind of want to bob to this on my way home, so I kind of want to put the CD in my CD player and bop on my way home. So that is what we are doing. And the one I got, it's a little bit opened already, but as you can tell, it's not open so far that anybody could have gotten to the photo cards or whatever. So I'm not too worried. I wasn't worried about it. I was just like, okay, that makes it easier for me to open it. So whatever, whatever, I do what I want. Anyway, let's open this. Oh, that's kind of nice. I kind of like that. The slip cover makes it purple, but it's actually navy. That is so freaking cool. Jeez. Okay, pre-order photo card set. Somebody just pulled up like right next to me. Which is fantastic. That just reminds me of my, what is it? Resonance Part 2 unboxing. In my group chat. Oh, well, it's a Discord group I'm in. One of the other girls in the Discord, the one that actually made it and everything, she was watching my video, and she's like, I just wanted to see if like the people in the car next to you noticed that you were recording. And then okay, so I've already seen some of my stuff that I got. I got a Chaeyoung bookmark and a Momo coaster. So that's nice. This is the one that has the photo, whatever. I got Jihyo for the CD plate. Not that that really matters, because I kind of collect CD plates, but I kind of don't at the same time. Momo. And, oh, shoot. Che. I kind of collect CD plates, but I kind of don't at the same time. Like, I did a CD plate trade for Eyes Wide Open for the group one. Does this one have a group CD plate? Or is it just individual member CD plates? Because if there's a group one, like, if there's a group CD plate, I'd prefer to get a group CD plate. But if not, like my biases in Twice are, Daeyeon and Junghyun. So, just, whatever. I think I kind of like, I don't know. But anyway, let's look at the rest. Let's look at what I got for photo cards. Because, I can't really do a full unboxing like this. So we got Mina, Chewy, Che, another Mina. Is this Mina too? Did I get like 3 Minas? I'm gonna see if Kev needs these. Like, if Kev needs any of these Minas. Because if he needs any of these Minas, then I'm gonna be like, yo, bro, do you want them? Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, he's collecting OT9 for this era. I forgot. So, I'm just gonna send him the pictures of everything I got and be like, hey, do you need any of this? Because, like, yeah. Anyway, so, yeah, this has been my slightly weird, what's even going on right now? I don't know, okay? I was playing Mass Effect this morning, which is part of the reason, like, I'm gonna go home and try to slap this together and post it. And, like, that's part of the reason why this is, like, the first video in a hot second, because Mass Effect Legendary Edition came out, and when I tell you that all of my free time is spent playing Mass Effect, I'm not even shitting you. Like, I am, how many? I think last I knew, I was like 60 something hours into Mass Effect 3, and I think I had like 80 something hours into Mass Effect 2. At least 80 something hours in Mass Effect 2. And then I think it was at like 30 something hours in Mass Effect 1. Like, literally all of my free time has been spent on Mass Effect. Like, if I'm at home, I'm either sleeping or playing Mass Effect. So, yeah, can't really edit videos when you're playing Mass Effect. It's kind of one of those things you can't really multitask very well. The only multitasking I can do while playing Mass Effect is eating cookies while playing Mass Effect. Which that's pretty much my self-care right there. Playing Mass Effect, eating cookies. Although, I do need to get some better cookies, because the cookies I bought last time, cheap cookies, not very good. Do not like them very much. It's a thing. I need to go get milk. I need to go to Walmart and get milk. Because I know Walmart has milk for like $1 something, and it's $3 here, and I'm like, I am not spending $3 on milk. I'm gonna go to Walmart. They're literally like across the road. I'm gonna go there, get milk, go home. Somebody just pulled up next to me again. Anyway. But yeah, I think I'm gonna... I didn't pull out the CD. How can I bop to this on my way home if I don't pull out the CD? What is wrong with me? Many things. Many things. A lot of things. There are a lot of things wrong with you. Anyway, I think my next video that I'm going to post after this, if I don't edit another video, is I'm going to make a binder tour, and that will probably be my next video if I don't get around to editing something else before that. But will I? Probably not, because Mass Effect. I gotta spend as much time with my Space Raptor boyfriend as possible, okay? Space Raptor boyfriend. Yes. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.